Hello, everybody. I'm going to tell you about Bitcoin Wise business. Okay, I'm just going to share my screen with you and tell you a little bit about it. Okay, so why should you join Bitcoin Wise? You earn as you pay, so they pay you to shop. There's no products you have to sell, there's no additional cost, no credit checks, no monthly payments, no debit orders, and you turn everyone's daily spending into a passive income. Doesn't that sound awesome? And then also, you can do it part time or full time depending on you. And then Bitcoin Wise, how does the Bitcoin Wise system works? Now, the easiest to understand it is when the supermarkets and merchants they charge a transaction fee. So it's powered by Bitcoin Wise that started in end of last year, and they partnered with a processing company that gets a portion of these fees to share it with you. It's this processing company is called Cellbucks, and I went to search on Google, and you're welcome to do that, okay? Because they have been in operation since 2012. Now, they're a third party financial technology company that uses cell phones to offer payment solutions so that you don't need the bank. So, Bitcoin Wise has partnered with them. So, you know that this company is safe. They're not going to bring somebody on board that they know is not good for their business. Okay. You're going to pay 200 Rand once off activation fee for your wallet. How many people do you know that buy groceries? And this is what makes the system awesome because you're going to learn that when you pay with your card, you're going to actually can earn a passive income. And while you use this system, you can still utilize your cards with Checkers or Shoprite or anything, and even Time Bank. You can swipe your cards, you can still get those loyalty points. You're not losing it, okay? So where does the secret lies? The power lies in that you not just earn from your own spending, but everybody's spending in your whole network as well. So every network has 1,110 members. So you can imagine the potential of the earnings here. So what happens is that Bitcoin Wise pays you a voucher that goes into Cellbucks. So you earn and pay by using vouchers generated in your digital wallet. It's as easy as that. It's just a different way of looking at how do you pay for things. Do you pay with your card or do you now pay through coin through the vouchers that you receive? It's that easy. I already said to you it does not affect your loyalty cards or any at any merchants. And these are the ones currently that they have on their system. And more is being added as it grows. Okay. ShopRite, Checkers, Pick and Pay, USAID, Boxes. I'm sure that you recognize most of these ones. Dis-Chem and Clicks. Total Energies, yes, you can put petrol in as well with your vouchers. Incredible Collection, Hi-Fi Corporation, take a lot, but you have to do it on your computer. And all these food places, even Mr. Delivery, you can go use your vouchers there and earn something there as well. Isn't that awesome? Now, let me explain a little bit about the money potential that you can earn. You see at the bottom, it says you earn 50 Rand from everyone that you refer to Bitcoin Wise because they are saying thank you for getting people in the community. Because the bigger they grow, the more power they have to get more merchants on board. Okay. As you can see on level one, it says 10 people. This is a business that's 4 levels down. Okay. So you got 10 people. You are going to get paid 50 Rand for each one, and that is 500 Rand. But on top of that, you're going to earn another 10 Rand. So you're going to be earning 500 plus 100, that's 600 Rand. Now, on the second level, you're going to have 100 people, but you don't have to just invite 10 people. You can invite as many people as you want directly under you. They will just fall into the next line once you've got 100 people and then again underneath there. So for every single person that you bring into this business, Bitcoin Wise is going to say thank you. And you're going to earn 50 Rand. And then you're going to get paid every Friday for the amount of people that have successfully paid and registered. Now, if you take all these earnings into consideration and those extra little bits that you get for per level on each for each person, you have the potential of earning 260,000 in this concept of having so many people in your business. Doesn't that sound awesome? Now, that is the referrals that you can earn on. But on top of that, you also can earn from paying with your vouchers. And yes, just a normal average spend. They say if each person in your channel spends 1,000 rand and they swipe the, the voucher, then this is your earning potential. I know it doesn't sound like much, but take into account that this is if the person only spends 1,000, and I'm sure that they will spend far more than that. So for 10 people, you'll earn the 20 Rand. But remember, it will be every single month. And I don't think that some people will stay with 1,000, they'll do it far more. And then when your team gets bigger and you now have 100 people, you're going to earn about 100 Rand per month. Okay. It sounds like a little bit, but your team is going to grow. Before you wipe your eyes out, you've got 1,000 people in your business and they're all taking 1,000 Rand and they're swiping with the vouchers, and you're going to earn on those transaction fees. And then it's going to be about 2,000 Rand. If your whole channel is filled up, you are going to have the potential of earning 52,000 Rand. Remember, this is monthly. So don't look at the small amounts, it adds up. And this is reoccurring every month that people spend. But say they decide that they are going to spend 2,000 Rand. I'm just showing you just a little bit. You can imagine further if it's 3,000 or 4,000. So for 10 people, you'll be earning 40 Rand every single month. When you get to 100 people, you will earn 200 Rand if they all spend an average of 2,000 Rand. But I'm sure there will be people that spend far more than that. So your earning potential per month is 104,000 Rand if you've got 11,110 people in your whole structure, okay? Just to show you that can go very far, okay? So how do you start? First of all, you get back to the person that gave you this video because they will give their registration link and they will send it to you. You will click on it. It will ask you for your information. You will register with your name, your surname, your ID number. You must use your cell phone number without the 0, okay, in front. And then it will ask you to create a password that is 8 digits long. It is then going to go to the next page, which is going to tell you to pay your 200 Rand. Your registration means nothing until you've made payment, okay? Because your payment is going to activate your Cellbucks wallet so that you can start using those vouchers so you can start earning. You see how that works? And also, every time when you get paid, it goes into your Cellbucks and you get paid every Friday. Okay, just keep that in mind. But also remember that this is only once off. You're not going to pay every month or again. And then you start telling people about it. Everybody that you know that actually shops, you tell them about it. They join on your link and you get paid 50 Rand. Now, as I mentioned before, you get paid every Friday. So cut off is Wednesday at 5 o'clock, and everybody that's successfully paid before then, that Friday you get paid. So also request these two apps from the person that invited you if you're going to join, because this is going to put those apps on your phone, on your home screen. So it's easy to access them. But once you've registered, you're also going to get a message from Cellbucks because you've got to register your wallet, okay? That is going to have 5 numbers in it, and your telephone number is going to have a 27 without a 0 in front. Do not get confused. There are 2 apps. So you're going to go ask this person to invite you to the WhatsApp group where you will get update and informations all the time and where you can get these 2 apps. And I really hope you're going to be on board because you cannot miss out on this. Remember, it's big retailers that are involved here. A company that's been in business since 2012. All the retail stores that knows and trusts these companies. So you cannot go wrong with Cell Bitcoin Wise. Okay, I hope to see you there and in my chat, in my WhatsApp group. Have an awesome day further. Thank you for listening and for your time. I really appreciate it so much. Thank you. Bye-bye. You can ask questions on the WhatsApp group if you have, and the person that invited you. Thank you.